Here is a quick look at this MagSafe External SSD, so you can see how it works in real use. Inside the box you get the SSD, a USB-C cable and the included accessories for attaching it to your device. Taking a closer look at the design, it's compact, lightweight and has a smooth outer finish that feels comfortable to hold. One of the main features is the magnetic design. It can attach directly to compatible smartphones, making it easy to use without needing extra mounting setups. There is also an included metal ring, so you can use it with devices that don't have built-in magnetic support. In terms of performance, it supports high-speed data transfer with speed up to around 2000 megabytes per second for both read and write, depending on the device you are using. This makes it useful for transferring large files like videos, photos or project files. It also supports high-resolution video recording, including formats like Apple ProRes or Samsung Pro Video, so it can be used direct recording on supported devices. It also includes a thermal control design to help maintain stable performance during longer session. For portability, it's slim and easy to carry, and it comes with a small cable organizer that can also be used as a lanyard. You can connect it to smartphone, laptop and other USB-C devices, making it a flexible option for different setups. There are also support for apps-based backups, which can help manage and transfer files more easily. In everyday use, it works well as an external storage option for expanding devices storage for managing large files on the go. Overall, it's a compact and high-speed storage solution with a magnetic design.